Hello everyone, my name's Yvonne and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy festival hair garland, and all you're going to need is a ruler and a couple of bunches of flowers. What I've got here are artificial silk ones, and you'll also need to have a ruler because you're going to measure the head of the child or the person you want to make the garland for, and then as you make the garland you will measure it against this, and you'll know that the size is right. Right, the first thing I've done is I've taken all of the bunches of flowers apart, and then I've decided that my design is going to be a pink and white mixture with some of these little silver, whatever they're called, goodness knows, in between. Right, now all you need to do is this. You take one pink, because we're going to alternate it, and one white. You put them together like that, okay? And then you just wrap that around there, okay? Then you take one of your silver ones, and you wrap it around there. Don't make them too far apart, otherwise the hair garland will be quite bendy and it won't be attractive. And basically you keep on going until you get to the size that you want, okay? So within a couple of minutes you will have made your hair garland. You can use bigger flowers if you like, or smaller ones. You keep on going, making sure that you always follow the same pattern, so that you don't end up at the end thinking, oh my goodness, I've left one out in the middle. Okay, so here we are, keep on going, and we'll be back at the end. Okay, we're at the end, and I've got the hair garland made. Right, now then, just for you to see that I am going to measure from there to there, because the child I have in mind has a head span of 50 centimetres, and I want to show you something very, very important. If I just join that there, I've got one missing, so I make sure that I end with the right piece of flora. So I'm going to wrap this around here. Now none of it's difficult, because when you get to here, what you're going to do is put that there, and then you'll just wind that around, get that far, put your white flower in place and carry on winding until you get to the very end. And then this will fit a child whose head is 50 centimetres. Now if you want to make it even prettier, you can go around it with ribbon as well, because that looks really nice, and you can put a little garland at the end. But if you want to make something quick and easy and even better, everlasting, then this is the way to go. Hope you enjoyed it, and as I say in most of my videos now, if there's something else that you'd like me to do next, please don't be afraid to comment and like in the boxes below. Thanks very much. I'm Yvonne, and I'll see you next time.